See? Brand new Tesla, a little dusty from driving, and my cat's been jumping on the hood. Here it is, charging. Very nice, charging at home. And we're gonna come to this back here. This is where the handrail was. And see this panel. And see, it is brand new because this is still the paper license plate. See, you can see that it's paper. Yeah, expires June 2nd. Home charging. Very convenient. So no problems there. But damage, huh? Yeah, see? This does not look AI, does it? I mean, how could this be any less AI? That's not AI. See my reflection? See this complicated movement? AI cannot do this. Real life did this. And see the depth of the hit. Boom, right into the handrail. Boom, right there. And a gap